Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am staying at Courtyard by Marriott in Gurgaon. I'll give you a quick room tour in sequence just like you would experience it. First, as you enter through the main door, you are welcome into a neat and well-planned space. On the side, you'll find a bathroom and mirrors, very modern with a spacious walk-in shower, premium toiletries and bright vanity area with large mirror perfect for getting ready. Moving ahead, the centerpiece of the room is a bed, large, super comfortable, and designed to give you a restful sleep. Right next to it, you have a dedicated workstation, perfect if you are here for a business meeting. And outside view is really awesome from my room. Probably you'll get the similar room. Across from the bed in TV station, you will also find a wardrobe with plenty of the space for clothes and luggage, along with an in-room safe. And finally, you'll find the thoughtful accessories and amenities. Overall, Courtyard by Marriott Gurgaon offers a mix of luxury and functionality, perfect for both business and leisure travel. If you like this tour, don't forget to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more travel and hotel experience. Thanks for watching.